Hello again, YouTube. I have a real soft spot for the HRD Vincent mark, wonderful brand, and I firmly believe that they were definitely the finest motorcycles of their era ever. But when you think of HRD and Vincent, you think of road machines and sporting machines, you think of speed, you don't think of trials. And so I was a little intrigued and delighted to see a Comet-engined trials bike at this year's Talmag at Hungry Hill near Aldershot. An odd choice for a number of reasons, but intriguing and delightful nonetheless. And so, for my own benefit really, I have fished out the footage which pertains specifically to this bike, and I thought I'd share it with you. So here it is. Enjoy.